Hi everyone! Today we'll guide you through the process how to set up Mailerlite DKIM and SPF. If you're new to Mailerlite, check out the free trial link in the description. If you're already a user, just log in and follow along with us. First, click on Account Settings, then select Domain. On the right side, click the Add Domain button and enter your domain name. Next, click the button to authenticate your domain. Copy the provided CNAME and TXT values and paste them into your website's DNS settings. Once you see the message, DNS record created successfully, refresh the page to complete the authentication process. Click on Check Status, and as mentioned, it will update within 24 hours. And that's it. You've successfully set up Mailerlite DKIM and SPF. And before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for your support while watching our videos.